you, a Thor, the god of thunder. But is not thunder just the sound of lightning?
You cannot breathe. Never breathe.
You're next, Odin's son!
That's the sound of lightning.